In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Telegram notifications. If your desktop or browser keeps pinging you at the worst possible time, this quick walkthrough will help you cut the noise while still keeping your messages organized and easy to find when you're ready. Start by opening Telegram on your computer. You can use either Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web in your browser. The steps are essentially the same. Once the app is open, head into Settings. On desktop, you'll usually find a gear icon along the left sidebar or in the main menu. On the web version, open the side menu and choose Settings from there. Inside Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds. This is where you can control exactly how Telegram grabs your attention. You'll see several toggles. If you turn off sound, Telegram will stop playing alert tones when new messages arrive. This is great if you still want to see notifications, but you don't want audible interruptions. Turning off pop-ups stops those desktop notifications from appearing on your screen. Choose this if you want complete visual quiet while you're working or presenting without closing Telegram. Finally, disable previews if you'd like more privacy in your notifications. This keeps message content from showing in alerts, so you won't have snippets popping up where others can see them. These changes apply right away, and you can mix and match. For example, you might keep pop-ups on but silence the sounds, or you might turn both off for a totally distraction-free setup. Nothing you change here affects the actual delivery of messages. You'll still receive everything, and it'll all be waiting in the app whenever you check it. If the noise is really coming from just a few conversations, you don't need to mute everything. Go back to your chat list, find the conversation you want to quiet, and right-click it. Choose Mute Notifications. That one chat will stop sending alerts, while everyone else can still notify you normally. This works for individual chats, group conversations, and channels alike. If you change your mind later, just right-click the chat again and unmute it from the same place. To recap, open Telegram on desktop or web, go to Settings, then Notifications and Sounds, and turn off the options you don't want. For targeted silence, right-click a chat and select Mute Notifications. That's all there is to it. Simple, flexible control over your attention, so you can focus when you need to.